Accidentally deleted your WhatsApp messages? Don't panic. Help is here. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to restore deleted WhatsApp messages using several reliable methods that work on both Android and iPhone. Whether it was an accidental swipe or a total reset, we've got you covered. And make sure to stick around till the end. I'll reveal a powerful third-party tool that can recover your chats even if you never made a backup. Let's dive into how to restore deleted WhatsApp messages. Method 1. Restore from backup. If you've been backing up your chats, this is the easiest way. Open WhatsApp and go to Settings, Chats, Chat Backup. Check if your backup contains the deleted messages. Now uninstall WhatsApp. Long press the app icon and tap Uninstall. Reinstall WhatsApp from the Play Store or App Store. Once installed, verify your phone number and tap Restore to get your chat history back. This works with Google Drive for Android and iCloud for iPhone. Method 2. Use notification history, Android only. Even if you didn't back up, Android users can take advantage of notification history. Go to Settings, Notifications, Notification History. Turn it on. Once enabled, you can view deleted WhatsApp messages through the notification log, even after they disappear from your chats. Bonus tip. Didn't back up your messages? You're not out of luck yet. Try a trusted third-party recovery tool like iMyFon Chats Back or AltData WhatsApp Recovery. Download the software to your computer. Connect your phone via USB. Let it scan your device for recoverable messages, even if you never enabled backups. This method is a lifesaver for anyone who thought their chats were gone forever. Have you ever lost important WhatsApp messages? Share your experience in the comments. I'd love to hear your story or help if you're stuck. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick tech fixes. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.